The health benefits of guacamole. Guacamole is a delicious savory spread or dip that has some amazing health benefits for the human body. This Mexican food is made by mashing ripe avocados with sea salt, lime juice, cilantro, chilies and sometimes garlic. In today's video, we will explore 16 facts and benefits of eating guacamole and a simple recipe to use at home. 1. Heart health. Guacamole is one of the healthiest foods to support the heart and the cardiovascular system. It is loaded with vitamin E and potassium, which help to keep your heart working properly and your blood pressure stable. 2. Diabetes. This is also a very filling and delicious dip for those with diabetes. The healthy oils from avocado help to keep your blood sugars under control. The cilantro and garlic also help in reducing insulin resistance naturally. 3. Fights inflammation. Make sure that you choose a high-quality guacamole that does not have any added vegetable oils, or simply make your own at home. The ingredients are all anti-inflammatory, which reduce pain and swelling in the body, especially in the joints. 4. Weight loss. If you are trying to lose weight, cut out the potatoes, rice and bread from your meals and add guacamole instead. The high fiber and healthy fats help to keep you satisfied until your next meal. The chili in this also triggers thermogenesis, helping to burn more calories. 5. Healthy snack. We highly recommend dipping celery into guacamole as a healthy snack if you are feeling hungry. Alternatively, you can use homemade hummus, as this too is excellent for your overall health. 6. Reduce stress. If you are feeling stressed and anxious, try eating more guacamole as a part of your daily diet. It is loaded with healthy nutrients like potassium, magnesium and B vitamins, which calm your nervous system down. Eating this will help you to relax and also get better sleep at night. 7. Immunity. The phytonutrients found in guacamole from the garlic, cilantro and avocado all help to protect your body from infections. The fats in avocado help your body to absorb these phytonutrients better and keep your immune system strong. 8. Keto. If you are following a healthy keto diet plan, guacamole is the perfect food. Loaded with healthy fats and nutrients, it helps your body to make ketones and burn fat for fuel better. 9. Energy boost. Eating guacamole helps to support the small energy factories in your cells called mitochondria. The minerals and B vitamins in this dip will help to give you more energy, especially if you often feel tired in the middle of the day. 10. Nutrient absorption. Studies show that adding avocado or guacamole to salads can help increase antioxidant absorption by up to 15 times. The healthy fats help your digestive system to absorb more nutrients from your salad or salsa. 11. Eye health. The antioxidants in guacamole include lutein and zeaxanthin, which are incredibly important for eye health. These reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration with age, and also protect the retina. 12. Microbiome. The fiber and healthy fats in guacamole help to feed the friendly bacteria in your gut microbiome. These bacteria help your body to digest foods better and support your brain and immune health. Guacamole also helps to treat constipation naturally. 13. Bodybuilding. The combination of healthy fats and nutrients in guacamole is excellent for bodybuilders and gaining muscle. Eating this helps to slowly release carbohydrates into the bloodstream, which is good to consume about 2 hours after training. 14. Check ingredients. When purchasing store-bought guacamole, always check the label to make sure that there are no preservatives, added oils or fillers. It should contain only avocado oil, not soy oil or canola oil. 15. Recipe. It's best to make this fresh at home for the most health benefits. Remove the pulp of one whole ripened avocado and mash with a fork. Squeeze in the juice of one lime, add 2 minced cloves of garlic and a large pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Garnish with cilantro. You can also add sliced chilli to this for a spicy kick and added health benefits. 16. Nutrients. Guacamole is a good source of potassium, magnesium, folate, zinc, beta-carotene, vitamin C, K, E, B3, B5, B6 and insoluble fibre. It also contains healing compounds from the garlic and cilantro such as allicin and dodecanol, along with many other phytonutrients. As you can see, guacamole is a fantastic health-boosting food packed full of nutritious ingredients. We highly recommend making this yourself at home. You can do this in a food processor for speed, and it can be one of the most powerful snacks in your arsenal for weight loss. It is nut-free, dairy-free, and very easy to digest for people with damaged digestive systems. To learn more about natural remedies and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.